Guardians of the Forest: How GIS technology is transforming the fight against illegal logging. Forests are among Earth's most valuable natural assets, providing essential ecosystem services such as carbon storage, biodiversity conservation, and climate regulation. Yet illegal logging continues to threaten these fragile ecosystems, leading to deforestation, habitat destruction, and the loss of countless species. In the global effort to combat this challenge, Geographic Information Systems (GIS) have emerged as a powerful tool, bridging the gap between environmental protection and technological innovation. GIS allows scientists, policymakers, and forest managers to monitor, analyze, and manage forested landscapes with unprecedented accuracy. By integrating satellite imagery, spatial data, and ground observations, GIS helps identify patterns of illegal logging and detect changes in forest cover over time. This real-time capability enables authorities to respond swiftly to suspicious activities, track logging hotspots, and implement targeted conservation measures before irreversible damage occurs. One of the key strengths of GIS lies in its ability to combine multiple data layers such as topography, land ownership, forest density, and road networks to assess areas at high risk of illegal activities. When paired with remote sensing data from satellites like Sentinel and Landsat, GIS can pinpoint even small clearings or newly constructed access roads deep within protected areas. Such insights are invaluable for designing more effective enforcement strategies and optimizing patrol routes for forest rangers. Beyond surveillance, GIS also plays a crucial role in policymaking and community engagement. Governments can use spatial data to delineate conservation zones, evaluate logging concessions, and plan reforestation projects. Local communities benefit as well, as GIS mapping promotes transparency, allowing residents and NGOs to monitor forest management practices and report illegal activities. As global demand for timber and land continues to grow, the integration of GIS, artificial intelligence, and drone technology is shaping a new era of digital forest monitoring. This technological synergy is not only helping to protect trees but also ensuring the long-term health of the planet's ecosystems. What are your thoughts on using GIS to fight illegal logging? Do you think technology can truly outpace deforestation and safeguard our forests for future generations? Share your views in the comments below.